Hello, my lovely, 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 lovely people. It is raining. I'm so happy. And I probably should have paused the video that I was watching. 1 second, my lovely people, so I don't get copyright. There we go. Yay! Everything's better now. Now that I can't have copyright stuff in the background. It's raining, which is, whoa, shoot. Oh, whoa, that's wet. Okay, and so guys, it's raining right now. Oh, please don't get on my camera lens. Thank you, Jesus. Ooh, that's a lot of liquid right there. So, fuck, they say there's gonna be a tornado. Oh, God, that's a lot of rain. Okay. Yeah, it's like, yeah. Oh my God, that's a lot of rain. I'm getting wet. Okay, let's close this. Oh, Jesus. Okay, everything's fine. Okay. Oh my God. Okay. So if you look right here, or just look anywhere, it is raining. Look at all that rain. Ooh, look at the mortuary. Oh, the trees are gonna grow. I remember when those trees were so tiny. Oh, that one's still growing. You'll hit your growth spurt one day. Okay, I think the wind is a little bit more calm. Okay, so as you can tell, it is right as I said that. Jesus, I thought you were protecting me. Okay, that's a lot of rain. So as you can tell, it's raining a lot, and I'm kind of soaking wet. Here, maybe I can, yeah. Oh God, I probably look horrible. But yeah, so you probably don't see anything but my fucking mouth. Well, that's great, right? I'm looking into the camera lens. Hi. So, right now, it's raining like crazy. Oh my God, it's showing up on camera too. Let me just back up, maybe. Yeah, it's raining like fucking hell. Okay. Oh, the video's about to end.